Hi, I'm going to show you a very brief overview of what LectureCast is. And you can see here I've got LectureCast in my bookmarks. Now I would recommend you do this too, however, for the time being, we'll search for it. So at the top type UCL LectureCast. What we're looking for is, what is LectureCast? Now please bookmark this page by clicking the star until it becomes blue. Okay, just one click. Now let's log in and have a look at LectureCast. Don't worry about these two options for the moment. We're simply just going to explore LectureCast. So look at these. This is my library. Okay, all of the videos I've uploaded. Okay, so some are quite short, some 59 seconds, and then there's this one here which is over 2 hours. So it's a storage spot for videos up to 4 hours long and 8 gigabytes in size. So a fantastic place to store all of your lecture material. Now if you go to courses, you'll see the courses that I have linked Moodle with LectureCast, okay? So you've got the 2021 of 0033. I also have the 2021 of 0019. So what this means is we've created a collection. So you can see at the moment there's just one video in 2021. However, there'll be many more. And then students will be able to easily access this when revising towards the end of the module. So what we've covered so far is that there's a library where all of your videos go, and that there are individual courses that you need to link through Moodle, but we'll touch on that in a later video. So how do you get videos into your library? Click the create button here and you upload media, okay? Now you can drag in MP4 files, or you can find them on Dropbox, Google Drive, OneDrive. You can actually drag across multiple large MP4 files at the one time. So let me show you what that looks like, okay? I'll go into my recordings up here. Got my recordings here, and I just drag them across like this, okay? Then I click upload, and it'll tell me how I'm moving along. Okay, I'm just going to cancel this because I've already uploaded this video. Alright, so now you know how to upload the video, where it uploads goes into the library, and before anything else happens, the courses. Now again, don't worry about the courses. Just for the moment, know that this is your library. These videos can be directly linked to your Moodle, and they can't be downloaded. So this is a fantastic way of keeping information safe and secure.